Let's check out some of the cool and useful Android apps of the month February 2021. Hey guys, this is Anil and you're watching Annihilation. If you're new to this channel, then kindly consider subscribing, and without wasting any more time, let's get into the video after a short intro. Alright guys, the first app in our list is Picasso. Basically, it's an app which allows us to set custom live charging animations. And in the previous video, I brought TrueAmps, which is a paid app. But now we have this free app, so you can get all these animations absolutely for free, and you can get all these categorized charging animations, and these cool charging wallpapers are carefully designed, and it will indicate the charging percentage according to the animations. And all these charging animations will look great on our phone, and you can select any animations within this categories, and all these animations are absolutely free, and new animations will be updated every single day, so you can get up to date. And the cool feature is you can select your own photos, and some animations have some cool background sound, so it will remind you whenever you forgot to switch on the charging cable. And after allowing the certain permissions, these animations will be displayed automatically after just connecting the cable, and you can get various types of animations within this app. So if you want to be unique in the crowd, then definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And next we have a customizing app called Screeny. Last time I brought the TruePix Pro, which is a paid app, but now we have a brand new app called Screeny. And the core function of this app is it just presents you with some of the cool, great looking home screen setups, and it will be updating daily, so you can get daily home screen setups. And the app will let you know all the kind of information about the home screen setup, such as wallpaper, widgets, and icon pack. And you can download this setup wallpaper and the only wallpaper. And the main function of this app, and the main thing of this app, it actually gives you the backup file of the home screen setup, which consists of the launcher backup and the widget backup for free and within the app. So you can easily set up all this home screen setup without installing the widget pack and the icon packs. So it's a great app to customize your home screen setup. And if you are looking for this cool home screen setups within the one app, so definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. Alright guys, next we have an app called Pin. As its name suggests, it is a note reminding app which utilizes the notification area. And you need to do just whenever you click on this app, it will open the keyboard just like this, and you need to enter that task. Now I'm writing just subscribe, then click on the right button to pin this at the task, and it will automatically save this task at in the notification bar. Whenever you forgot about the task, it will be at the notification bar. So whenever you receive any messages from the Instagram, WhatsApp or whatever it is, you will see this task in the notification, so you will never forget the task, and that you pin in within this app, waste any more time. So it's a useful app, and this is a very simple and minimalistic app, so check it out, and the app link is given in the description below. And make sure that you subscribing our channel and hit the like button. And guys, next we have an app called Pulse Music, which is basically offline music player app which offers us some of the cool and new features. And the main thing is that it's an ad-free app, so you don't get any ads while playing the music. And the UI of this app is much more better than the other apps, and the animations of this tracks moving and the saturated icons looks great. And this app is built with the materialistic design, and you can enable the dark theme, and if you like, as just put it on the system default. Everything looks great on this app. You can get some of the cool new features within the app, and you can play music by connecting the Bluetooth devices, and this app have an inbuilt equalizer. You can create playlist and song queues and much more. So if you are really looking for a cool open source music player app, so definitely check it out. The app link is given in the description. And the main thing is it's a clutter free and ad free offline music player app. And guys, finally we have a game called Tom of the Mask. It is an addictive online game in which you need to play these games by swiping our fingers, and this game is have infinite generated levels. And the story of this, and the main story of this game is just you get into a tomb where you will face a variety of traps and enemies, and you will need to cover all these dots along the levels. And at the starting, this game is super fun and easy, but as you go on increasing levels, it will get difficult. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribing to this channel would be great. And as I mentioned in my last videos, to get the app promo codes, just follow me on Instagram and keep an eye on my Instagram post. And that's it guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. And guys, this is Anil from Annihilation, and see you in the next one.